Hugh and Arthur, friends or lovers? Hey friends, and welcome back to another Animal Jam video. In case you don't know who I'm talking about, there are two raccoon NPCs in Animal Jam that seem like they are more than just friends. Here we have Arthur, aka the traveling salesman. He's a raccoon that has a wooden cart where he sells items in Jama every 2 weeks. He sets up shop either in Coral Canyons, Mount Shavir, Crystal Sands, or Jama Township. Arthur mostly sells clothing items, but occasionally sells den items. He only sticks around for 1 day before he leaves. They don't call him the traveling salesman for nothing. Where he goes when he's not in Jama is a mystery. Then we have Hugh. He's also a raccoon, suspicious, and runs the crafting lab. He also invented the color cloud, which is a feature in your pack hideout that changes the main colors of your animal to random colors. And sometimes those colors are not ones you can pick from the color wheel. Anyways, Hugh is only found in his crafting lab, but look what else I found there. On the desk, next to some broken green and purple crafting crystals, is a framed photo of Arthur. It may not seem like much because there's also a framed picture of Hugh and Peck on the wall, but this is a picture of just Arthur, no Hugh. Now, what kinds of people get framed pictures of themselves on other people's desks? Lovers! Now you might start arguing that, oh, they could be friends or family, but wait! Based on the Animal Jam fandom wiki, Hugh has at least 6 quotes mentioning Arthur, and Arthur has at least 12 quotes mentioning Hugh. Now to me, that sounds like more than just friends talking about each other. And look, these quotes say that Hugh and Arthur got each other gifts for the Jam holidays and the Friendship Festival. Aww, isn't that adorable? Obviously, everything I said is just speculation. Nothing has been officially confirmed by AJHQ or WildWorks. So you can pretend they're boyfriends or just family. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.